Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, May 24, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going?
Hi, David. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Not bad. Just need this coffee to wake up.
Same here. I'm so tired today.
Yeah, me too. Got a busy day ahead?
Oh, yes, meetings all morning. What about you?
Same old. Same old. Gotta call some clients and close a deal.
Good luck with that. Hope it goes well.
Thanks. Hey, did you see the news about Singapore's election stuff?
Yes, I did. They're talking about identity politics getting bigger there.
Yeah. It's crazy. I mean, it's like everyone's picking sides now.
True. It shows how global issues can mix into local stuff.
For sure. I just hope it doesn't mess up business deals over there.
That's a point. Stability is key for trade.
Exactly. If things get messy, my sales targets might take a hit.
Let's hope it stays calm. We need smooth markets.
Yeah, fingers crossed. Hey, speaking of markets, did you hear about the tech news?
You mean the new trade talks or something else?
Nah. I saw something about big fintech companies jumping into crypto.
Oh, right. That's interesting for sure.
Yeah. It's like everyone's betting on digital money now. Could be good for business.
Maybe. It could change how we handle payments and projects.
True. Imagine closing deals with just a click of crypto.
It sounds fast, but I worry about security. We need safe systems.
Good point. I just hope it makes my job easier, not harder.
Let's see how it rolls out. Tech moves so fast these days.
No kidding. Hey, on a lighter note, did you see that Cannes Film Festival update?
Yes, I did. They're focusing on movies about the past this year.
Yeah, like half the films are old-time stories. Sounds kind of cool.
It is. I think it's a way to look at today through history.
Maybe. I just hope there's something fun to watch afterward.
Haha, same here. I miss those old classic vibes sometimes.
Totally. Hey, maybe we can watch one together with the team?
That's a nice idea. A little break from all the office stress.
For sure. We all need a good laugh or a good story.
Agreed. It's nice to switch off from work sometimes.
Hey, speaking of work, I better get back to my desk soon. Got a call in 10 minutes.
Yeah. I've got a meeting starting soon, too. Can't be late.
All right. Let's catch up later. Maybe grab a quick lunch.
Sounds good. I'll see you around.
Cool. Have a good one, Alex.
You too, David. See you later.
Hey, before I go, did you finish that report for the boss?
Almost done. I'll send it over by noon.
Nice. I need to check some numbers with you later.
No problem. Just drop by my desk.
Will do. Man, these mornings go by so fast.
They really do. Coffee breaks are never long enough.
Haha. Tell me about it. I could use another cup already.
Me too, but duty calls. Got to stay focused.
Yeah, you're right. Let's get through this day.
Let's do it. Good luck with your calls.
Thanks. Good luck with your meetings.
Appreciate it. Talk to you soon.
Hey, one last thing about that Singapore news. You think it'll affect our clients there?
Hard to say. I'll look into it and let you know.
Cool, thanks. I just don't want any surprises.
Don't worry. We'll figure it out together.
Awesome. You're the best, Alex.
Haha, thanks. Now let's get to work.
Yep. Time to hustle. See you later.
See you, David. Have a good day.
You too. Catch you at lunch if I'm not swamped.
Sounds like a plan. Take care.
Always do. Let's make today count.
For sure. See you around the office.
Hey, don't forget to send me that update on the project.
I won't. I'll email it after my first meeting.
Perfect. I need it for my client pitch.
Got it. I'll make sure it's clear and ready.
Thanks a lot. You're a lifesaver.
No problem. Just doing my part.
All right, I'm off to my desk. Talk soon.
Okay, see you later. Stay focused.
We'll try. Coffee's kicking in now, so I'm good.
Same here. Let's get through this morning.
Deal. See you in a bit.
Bye, David. Have a productive day.
You too, Alex. Let's do this.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.